The midsize Canyon is essentially a downsized GMC Sierra, with strikingly similar style and ample ability. It's available with General Motors' exclusive diesel inline-4 that's fuel-efficient and can tow up to 7,700 pounds. As with its corporate cousin, the Chevy Colorado, the Canyon has two cabin cargo bed styles that pair with several powertrain choices. The base 200 horsepower inline-4 has a standard 6-speed manual, the 308 horsepower V6 is exceedingly quick, and the Mini Duramax diesel makes 369 pounds-to-foot of torque. The iconic Denali model dresses up the truck with chrome cladding, bigger wheels, and better interior materials. Its infotainment system is excellent. Unfortunately, the Canyon is shortchanged by its minimal active safety options. Regardless, the highly skilled Canyon slots near the top of its class. Only the 10 best winning Honda Ridgeline surpasses it. For 2018, the Canyon receives minor changes. A washer fluid level sensor is now standard on all models. Heated exterior mirrors and what General Motors calls active tow are now available. The towing system helps the driver align the pickup when reversing to hook up a trailer. It's standard on the V6 and diesel models but not available with the inline-4. A new blackout exterior trim package is included with the Nightfall package. Leather-appointed front seating, jet black with cobalt red stitching, is now available with the all-terrain package, which starts the year as a dealer order only. Satin steel metallic and marine blue metallic also join the paint color palette.